little starter I had. Didn't work. It's so old and dried out. There's this. I got a nice little fire going. This is the Vital stove. Without the fan, the flame cuts down. If I cut the fan off, there's no way I would have got this to burn good. With the fan off, it is hot now, and it's still having difficulty. But it's burning. So I think there's no doubt this stove is primo thing to have in a rain. And in the rain, under my tarp, in my hammock, sitting. And the ground's pretty dirty. Leaves are blown all under here. The wood is damp. Got another stove over there, homemade. And I didn't try it because it doesn't have a blower. If I turn on the blower on low, you'll see the stove picks up momentum big time. Put it on high. This thing puts out a roaring fire. Crazy fire. Too hot for just sitting around. With no flame, the coals may keep it going. I'm going to see. Without a flame, it may be the wood's too damp. This wood is not wet, but it's just been out here in rainy weather under the tarp. But it feels crispy, but it doesn't burn good. Surprising to me how little it does burn. If I put the fan on low, what's the difference? Should restart it. Without the fan, it just kind of goes out. That's on low fan. And you got a good fire going. I didn't bring any water out here. These sticks are, they just bend, but they don't break. Good. As long as I keep the fan blowing, it's enough to ignite it. If I put it on high, they go wild. Look at that. This thing puts out the heat. And it's hot. Feels wonderful. I'm going to cut it down. I just wanted a little fire where I could sit out here in the hammock in the rain and get a little bit of heat from it. I have to say, a Vital stove is a really good stove. It probably weighs 2 or 2.5 pounds. I don't know, it's not light, but it's well worth having. The rainy weather, imagine without it would be tough. I'm sure you could get a fire started if you're prepared. If you're well prepared, you could do it. But with what I've got, with this wood, if you had wet wood or damp, really wet, it's not going to do much. Put me a pitcher of water over there and gather up a bunch of water. That's an idea. So I got this pot here. I'm gonna put this pot right there. Start gathering some water. I got me some water boiling. Could have me a nice hot drink. See what I've got, if anything. Got fuel. Now I could have got a fire going with this. I've got an alcohol stove. So as far as actually being able to start a fire, you could definitely do it with that. Putting off a nice warmth. Just a little bit of wood I'm using. Turn the fan on high. And these batteries have been in here over a year. They're still working. I don't think they're as powerful as they were when I put them in, for sure. But still working. Let me get some water going. I think I'll go get me some coffee and get me some cowboy coffee. But I'm not going to film all that. Don't think. Might make a separate video. Let's see the stove. That's on low. On low, it puts out a nice flame. I turn it off. The flame dies down. It'll take it a little bit. It'll die down. Once this wood is lit, it'll smolder and such. But it is putting off some smoke. Luckily, the smoke's blowing out of here. But water's dripping off my tarp into a pot. So I'm sure if I boil it, it'll be good drinkable water for coffee. This is a Samsung S5 phone. I got it just before Christmas on sale. Placed my iPhone. So far I'm very happy with this phone. I love this thing. I don't have a problem with an iPhone either, but mine was just getting old. I sell it on eBay. Actually, when I turn this on high, see how it does. It's on high now. See the difference? And that's just getting started. I'm going to cut it back off. It's off now. It'll burn this way for a minute or so and then burns way down. If you add wood, you got to turn the fan on or else it's really slow to get started. That little bit of heat right there, and it's actually kind of blowing towards me, I think. Radiating heat. What would happen if I put this on top? Won't fit around it. I think what's going to happen, I'm going to run out of dry wood before I get a chance to do much. See, without a fan, that's what you get. It just smolders and goes down to almost nothing. Put the fan on low, see what happens. I think it'll relight. Let's try high. There you go. As soon as it relights a little, I'll cut it back to low. I think especially now it's better just to leave it running on at least on low. Those embers will relight it. If you want fast and hot, turn it up. Of course, that'll go through your wood real quick. These are bigger sticks, but they're kind of rotted, I think. So once they get rotty, they don't burn for long. I'm putting them on here damp. Maybe they'll dry out and catch fire. I enjoy doing this though, just laying in the hammock. Water's building up. Yeah, it's starting to get a good bit of water in there. Didn't take long at all. Free water. You got the fan, I just turned it back on low. Pretty cool, I think. Actually, quite amazing. This little battery device, 2 AA's. And like I say, these have been in here, I think, well over a year. And turn it up a little. Get these bigger sticks going. That's basically all I got right now is these sticks here. All the other ones I got are wet. Or somewhat damp in the rain. These are damp, they haven't been in the rain. I've got some over here that might be okay, but part of them are wet and part are dry. Pick it up. Yeah, it's kind of dry, that one is. This will burn. It's got like a junk on it anyway. Stuff that grows on the tree limbs. It's on the high mode. Having a little trouble starting it up because it's damp. But it's a good one, I think. I'm going to let lights a little bit and see if we can get more out of this. Well, this wood isn't very good here. Let's see about this stick. These little twigs here. I'm going to use that. Two of them. This piece might be good. Let's try out this water pipe. Put it down on here. I don't know if it's going to fall in or not. I think I need to about put the camera down so I can adjust these little legs. Sitting on the wood, I don't like that. Yeah, there you go. Maybe it's not on the wood. On a little post here. Right now it's going okay. If I had my other hand free, I could do something. I'm going to pause a second. What I did, just turn the legs in on the top of the stove. Like that. So now it's got a good foundation. It's cooking. It's not the cleanest water. A little dirt that fell, probably was in the pot when I put it under the, where it came off the tarp. Anyway, kind of fun. And while you're here, let's see. You still can put sticks in under the edges here. It's not much room, but there is some room. add sticks without removing the it's working. Let me turn it down to low. But you know the smoke blowing right in my face. That's on low speed, and it's cooking. You can see it's working. It'll cook. Doesn't take long on a wood stove to get a boil. Add a stick once in a while. Pretty good sized stick there. And this is damp. Makes a big difference when the wood is damp. Well, it looks like plenty of wood in there right now. Love this pot. I got no problem with this stove, I'll tell you. Stove is probably the best overall. And since it's a powered stove, a lot of people don't want to deal with something that has batteries. But personally, if you're in the rain and you need a fire, and you hadn't got one with batteries, you're going to have a fun time trying to have a fire. About this. I can swing back out of the way a little and let the smoke go in. I don't know if I ought to just keep doing this a long video. The smoking so much comes from the wood that's damp. And that's primarily why it's smoking. I'll take this off of here. Stir it up. Maybe smothering it a little. Yes. I saw some wood right here. It's too big for this little bitty stove. It's a little stove. When you look at it, it is little. There you go. Yeah, big wood, it's a good idea to turn it up. Look at the flames when I turn that thing up. Good gosh. The water is already bubbling. Yeah, if I turn that flame up, it'll boil in about 2 minutes, I think. Which I'm no rush. I'm enjoying myself out here. I'm enjoying myself. Pretty cool, huh? Water's just running off this top. All the free water you could ever want. The water looks like it's getting hot. Smoking for sure. I hadn't used this stove in a long time. I thought I'd bring it out just because it was raining. I've used it once in the rain and it worked so well. I realized I couldn't have a fire without it. Getting the fire started was easier with this than anything I've used. Or, if I'd had a normal cotton ball, that would do it. I think that's the best thing yet. Got a bubble. I'm not even using the top for the pot. It's a bubbling. I'm going to turn it up and just see what happens. The flames get bigger and bigger. That thing's going to boil in seconds. It's getting there. Starting to boil. You put that fire on high. Woohoo! She works. I'm going to let it boil a little while. This water's so dirty looking. I don't believe I'll add any more wood. She's rolling boil. Definitely a rolling boil. Purified water. Water's probably clean. It had a little dust and dirt in it from rain and whatever on the tarp. I'll turn the fire back down. Just let her boil. Well guys, this is old Ted with a hot pot of water ready for coffee. Let me turn it up a bit so that she looks like turned up. Full throttle. I like it. That wood's getting gone quick. Still plenty to boil it. Now I got me some hot water. All I need to put some coffee grounds in there and I'll have me some good old cowboy coffee. I'm going to have to end this so I can go and get some coffee grounds. I'll let you guys go now. This is old Ted enjoying hammock in the rain. Just swinging here, sitting there with my feet on the ground, hammocking. This tarp's been up for months now and it's held up good. I found one little hole in it. I don't see it right off. There's a little hole where a tree limb or something fell off the tree and hit it. Poked a small hole. This is out in front of my house. Buy some pretty hefty woods for a quarter mile or so. There's nothing but wood. No neighbors on this area. The road goes by. This is old Ted. This has gone over 24 minutes. Water's still boiling. See you guys next time. Hope you have a happy new year.